Okay, welcome to all of you, my online class, Darbhanga Live Classes. I'm today again with the new question of standard 9th from chapter Lines and Angles of exercise 6.1, question number 1. It's very easy question and not too hard question, so just try to understand how we will get the answer. So according to question, whatever the question is saying, let's go to read out there. It's saying there is a figure already I have drawn here. In this figure, whatever given, lines AB and CD intersect at O, which you can see here, two lines which I have drawn already, AB and CD, and both line what happened intersect to each other at the point O, which you can see here now. Both line ABCD is intersecting at O. It's given already, no problem. Now, if angle AOC, this one, angle AOC, this angle plus angle BOE, this angle, all together the sum of these two is given 70 degree. It's good. So, and angle BOD and this angle BOD, that's given already 40 degree. So we have to find angle BOE. We have to find what will be the measure of this angle will be, and the reflex angle COE. What will be the reflex angle COD? COE will be that we have to find. First of all, before we are going to suppose to write anything else, we will write first of all whatever is given in this chapter, in this question. Look at this one, given, right? That's given angle AOC plus angle BOE, that's given equal to 70 degree. You got that? No problem. And angle BOD, what's given? Angle BOD, that's given equal to 40 degree. These two are given, so we have to find out. Then you can see there three things. First of all, which you can see here now, when two lines intersect each other, which you can see here now, when two lines suppose that intersect to each other, then what happened? This angle will equal to this angle, that's called vertically opposite angle, right? So here also you can see angle AOC will equal to angle BOD, correct? So if BOD that's given 40 degree, then definitely angle AOC will be also 40 degree by the vertically opposite angle. So we can write there now, you can write there, since, what you can write there, angle AOC will equal to angle BOD by, you can write there, vertically okay, opposite angle, which you can see here now. I have written already there, vertically opposite angle. By that you can say it's looking like that. Okay, no problem at all. So which you can see there, AOC is equal to BOD, that's vertically opposite angle. So definitely I can write here that angle AOC, what happened? Angle AOC will equal to angle BOD will equal to 40 degree. Yes. So already this 40 degree is there, that I can say that 40 degree. And we have to find the angle BOE. Then it's given, what's given? Angle. Here you can see that angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is equal to put 70 degree. So if I'll put the value of AOC, which is already we have got here 40 degree, in place of this, can I put there 40 degree plus angle BOE will equal to 70 degree. Yes, that you can write there 70 degree. So now what will be there? Angle, so angle BOE will be what? If 40 degree will come right side, will be 70 minus 40 degree, there will be 30 degree. We are able to find out now angle BOE we got there here now. So angle BOEG will be what? 30 degree. Now you got that one, no problem. Now one more thing you will get to know. Now you can see, so one answer we got there now. One more thing you can see here now, that's given already. We have to find the reflex angle COE. So once again you will come to know that is angle AOC plus angle, what happened? BOE plus angle COE will be what? 180 degree. Let's go to find out here. It's a angles on line, because of this is angles on line. So you can see how does it used to be. So you can see on a straight line, if I used to draw a straight line over there, what happened? You can see on a straight line what happened. If I draw then over a line, there is an angle is going to formation is 180 degree. So here you can see angle AOC, this angle, plus angle BOE, this angle, and plus angle COE, all together how much it will form? 180 degree angles on line. That's why now you can put the value of all this and we can find out that. So what we can see here now, angle AOC already we have, that's 40 degree, right? Angle BOE just we have got, that's 30 degree, and angle COE will have to find. So what happened? This will be 70 30 and 40 30 will be 70 degree, plus angle COE will be what? 180 degree. Now show angle COE will be what? 180 minus 70 degree, there will be 110 degree. This is the, we have got angle COE. Now we have to find out reflex of angle COE. What happened with, before we are going to find out reflex angle, we need to know what is reflex angle is. The reflex angle angle whose main measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So you can write there now, what happened? You can write there now, reflex angle COE will be what? 360 degree minus what will be there? Because of COE, we have to find the COE. COE, what we have got? 100. How much we have got? So you can say that now COE is got, with that we have got 110 degree. So there will be the subtraction of these two will be what? 360 minus 110, it will be 250 degree. This will be your answer. So we got here now, what we have got here, that is angle BOE which we have to find, that's 30 degree, and reflex angle COE we have got 250 degree. This will be your answer. Thank you for watching me. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.